This handle has the power to destroy modern civilization. We gave 8 billion people a toilet and connected them all to the same fragile sewer system. What happens if everyone pulls the trigger right now? 3, 2, 1. Flush. Sounds like a harmless prank. A global moment of synchronization. But if all 8 billion of us actually coordinated this, we wouldn't just be wasting water. We might just break modern civilization. Welcome to Extreme What If. Today we are pulling the lever on the entire world. First, we need to set the ground rules. Not everyone has a flush toilet. In reality, only about 60% of the world has access to safely managed sanitation. But this is Extreme What If. So let's give every single human on Earth a standard low-flow toilet. That is 8 billion fingers on 8 billion handles. A standard modern toilet uses about 1.6 gallons or 6 liters of water per flush. So in a single second, we are moving 48 billion liters of water. To put that in perspective, that is roughly 19,000 Olympic-sized swimming pools, instantly disappearing down a pipe. That is more water than flows over Niagara Falls in 2 entire hours, condensed into 1 second. The first problem isn't the waste going out. It's the water coming in. Toilets need to refill. The moment the flush finishes, 8 billion valves open to refill the tanks. Municipal water systems rely on pressure. They are designed for peak hours, like mornings when everyone showers, but they are definitely not designed for everyone at the exact same second. If you were in the shower during the Great Flush, the water would stop instantly. Fire hydrants would run dry. In high-rise buildings, water pressure would plummet to zero. For about 45 seconds, the world's freshwater infrastructure would essentially flatline. Now for the messy part. Where does it go? Sewer systems work on gravity. They are sloped pipes designed to carry a steady stream, not a sudden tidal wave. When that 48 billion liter pulse hits the local sewer lines, the pipes will immediately fill to 100% capacity. But water is heavy and it's moving fast. As the water rushes to larger street mains, the air inside the pipes has nowhere to go. This creates massive pneumatic pressure. In the valleys and lower elevation neighborhoods, this pressure would blow manhole covers into the air like champagne corks. But if the water can't go forward, it goes backward. If you live at the bottom of a hill, the sewage from the people above you isn't going to the treatment plant. It's coming out of your toilet, your shower drain, and your sink. We are talking about a geyser of wastewater. Finally, the wave reaches the wastewater treatment plants. These facilities are biological machines. They use bacteria to eat waste. But faced with a sudden volume hundreds of times higher than their maximum capacity, the plants would open their emergency bypass gates. Billions of gallons of raw sewage would pour directly into rivers, lakes, and oceans. So if everyone flushed at once, we wouldn't destroy the Earth, but we would destroy our plumbing and probably ruin the weekend for every plumber on the planet. Maybe let's just flush one at a time. Thanks for watching Extreme What If. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next chaos.